guys? Welcome to Raidan Overland. Today's adventure, we're going to the classic spot, your mom's house. Alright guys, let's get there. Never been to Anza-Borrego, this is your first time you're watching this video. A really cool spot to go if you have a capable rig. It's Fonts Point. We got Justin here. Let's show the stats. Wow, he's got a lot of stats. So we're at Fonts Point. It's a 4-mile trail. PSI. Justin, show them what we got. Are they correlated? Was it the same night? Was it the same group? I don't know. Yeah, right. Made it to Fonts Point. Let's go see this jaw-dropping view. Now I'm gonna fly that way. Alright, so we're at Fonts Point. I'm gonna try a new route. I'm gonna go up this way, and I wanna try going. I like your setup, dude. It's just
I got my
it's just everything.
Everything's flying around.
We reached the cross trail or whatever, so this should take us mostly to Ocotillo Wells. Yeah, there's some gnarly jumps. What the fuck is this leading us to? Where are we going? Where are we fucking going? I still fucking got it. Completely got us off trail. I still don't got it. Alright. I don't think this is for You got this, Justin. Oh man. It's a little bumpy, a little narrow. We're like almost there, but damn. Alright, we just gotta get down this little obstacle right here. Dude, my dumbass got us going the wrong way. So now we gotta go back another way. Whoa, this is way cooler. Look at this, guys. Dude, this is so sick.
It's not scratched though.
So now we're going the right way. Oopsie. Nice. This is a cool little obstacle for dirt bikes. Oh, we're just going in the thick of it right now. Dude, what? Where are we? Look at this. Dude, we're in Mars. So we made it out of Mars. That was really sick, actually. Unintentionally ended up there. I got some cooler shots, but we're kind of racing daylight a little bit. Damn, we took a loss. Guess it's time for a new bag. I wish I caught that on video, but I just got shatted on. Should I do it again? Now we hit Bank Wash, which should take us all the way down to the main road. We aired up a little bit. Now we're headed to Fish Creek. We made it to Fish Creek, and now we're gonna go to our secret location. It's about 4 o'clock. We got an hour of daylight. All right, so like always, we're gonna set up camp in 3, 2, 1. Got the sleep platform all set up. Got the kitchen. Justin has his kitchen set up. What are you making, Justin?
I made some chicken.
Justin decided to just eat without the camera rolling. Let's see what we're cooking. We're cooking some entraña. Getting fucking drunk as fuck.
Bro, that's just you.
Then we got some molleja. Holy shit, Aiden. We fucking it up. Cheers. Alright, we're going like round 10. Shh. Cheers. Thanks, babe. Alright, so we're gonna air up. Until next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Aiden, you want to say anything? Alright. What about you, Justin? You want to say anything?
No.
Oh, alright. Peace out.